Hey, I'm Papurr, and for the past 5 years, I've been mastering the art of credit and travel hacking, and in that time, I've helped over 4,400 people repair and rebuild their credit, as well as teach them how to maximize rewards to travel first class and stay in 5-star hotels for free. So in front of me, I've got Jamie. He's been with us for a little bit now, so he's pretty new to Credit Club 2.0, but he's had an absolute journey with us since he started. So we're gonna go over his time in Credit Club 2.0. I know it's been short, but it's been an amazing time so far and still got a long, long way to go with him. So do you wanna introduce yourself, Jamie? Tell us a little bit about you, what you do, and how you found Credit Club 2.0 so far.
Hi, I'm Jamie, and I've been in Credit Club a short while now, just over a month, and I'm a property investor, and I package up property deals for other investors. So yeah, Credit Club's been great so far, enjoying it.
Amazing, amazing. And with you, like you said, you're into property investments. One of the main things with you joining, I guess, was, the high credit limits and getting you, access to funding and credit. And, we're just at the start of the journey, but I just want you to kind of tell the guys how that's been and, in the process of opening your credit cards, how that process was it fast, slow, and what we've been able to accomplish for you, because when you told me this morning, I was absolutely shocked. So do you want to tell the people what you've been able to accomplish since you've been with us?
Yeah, so obviously capital is the main thing in my business, so I needed access to a lot of funds. I come across Credit Club 2.0 and I thought, right, this is it, I'm going for it. We opened up the gold card and started off £20,000 limit, and within just over a month I've got a £60,000 limit, which is great. So process of it was smooth, easy. The team was so helpful. Yeah, it just runs so smooth.
No, amazing. And you were literally telling me your goal is to get it to 100,000. You even set a goal for yourself. You were like, literally by next month, my goal is to have this at 100,000, and we're gonna make sure to get it to 100,000. And I have zero doubts that you'll get there. So yeah, that's amazing. You said the team was useful. One thing we have in place is our one-to-one group chat. So how useful has the one-to-one group chat been with you? The whole process of having myself and access to the credit specialist.
Yeah, so that's one thing that makes the Credit Club 2.0 great, because you've got the group chat where you can ask any sort of questions and the team responds straight away. Really helpful. I use it quite a lot, and just recently I was asking about 0% cards and increasing the limit on those, which got advised, call up the credit card company, have a conversation with them, which I did, and now I'm getting a redistribution of my credit limit to a 0% card, which is going to take me up to 19,500 limit on that.
Yeah, which is absolutely amazing. And see, it's just taking the knowledge and then actually putting it into play, and that's what you're doing. You're taking the videos, you're taking the content you're learning, the templates, the stuff that we have, and you're putting it into play, which is amazing. Now, the other question I had for you is, how have you found the content and material in Credit Club 2.0? Was it easy to understand? Did it take a lot of your time to go through? You're a busy man, you're a family man. Did it take a lot of your time to go through the material?
No, so it was really easy to watch. The videos were, some were longer than others, but it was really easy to watch and really easy to follow. And yeah, the videos are great. There's a lot of knowledge in there, and yeah, I love knowledge, so I'll soak it up like a sponge. It was really easy to watch.
Yeah, and you definitely have soaked it up like a sponge, because you've literally got amazing results straight off the bat. I mean, you're only a month in and these are your results. I wonder where you'll be in a year with us, which is amazing. And then the final question I had for you, bro, because I don't want to take too much of your time, is would you recommend this to someone else, and what would you say to someone who's kind of on the brink of wanting to join Credit Club 2.0?
Yeah, 100% would recommend it. I've been telling all my friends about it. Everyone, join up. And my one advice is, if you're looking or you're teetering on the edge of joining, just do it. Just do it. You won't regret it.
No, amazing. And that's nice to hear, because you're someone that just joined a month ago and you're saying that straight off the bat. It puts a smile on my face, so it's great. And yeah, just gonna call this here. This is Jamie. If you have any questions, drop it down the video. Jamie might even jump in the comment sections, answer some of your questions. But yeah, this was Jamie's case study with us in a month. Amazing results. This can be you. So if you are interested, drop a comment telling us you want to be a part of it, and we can see whether we can help you out. But that's the video for today. Thank you for your time, Jamie.